You know, people said that it would be impossible. Well, construction-wise, I would say in Thailand, nothing is impossible. Good afternoon. I'm here in Rama 4, overlooking the construction site of the Bangkok One. And today I want to give an update regarding the Chong Nonsi Canal Park. But on my way, I'm passing this construction site, so I'm gonna go on my bicycle and show you and ride along the construction site. So the tallest structure in Bangkok is under construction here. It will be the Signature One, and that building is 437 meters high, or 1435 feet. And furthermore, on this construction site here, there will be 5 of the top 20 highest buildings in Bangkok. But let's continue and go to the Chong Nonsi Canal Park. So, back at the Chong Nonsi Canal. And I've been giving updates since 2 months. And today is the 23rd of December. And this should be ready by the 25th. And people are working very hard. Sawadee krap. So the plants are being brought in. Krap. It's interesting, there is a very strong flow on the canal here. You see, they are all bringing the flowers in. This should be ready in 2 days. And I don't think it's completely ready yet, but they really did a great job. If you think about it, this was all done in a period of 2 months. I will edit some parts in here from how it looked before when they started. I think the big part of the park will be ready in 2 days. It looks really beautiful actually, yeah? With the walking path here. So imagine having this for 4.5 kilometers. So this is only going to be a 250 meters stretch. They have a lot of Christmas decorations inside there. Yeah, tomorrow we are leaving for Koh Samui. So I won't be able to be here when the official opening is here. But the least I can do is give you this update. So let me show you a bit from the other side as well. So 2 weeks ago, literally they only had the pillars here. And now you can see there is a complete walk being built. That's going all the way to the Chong Nonsi station. Have the Christmas trees in here. You know, people said that it would be impossible. Well, construction wise, I would say in Thailand, nothing is impossible. If you have the manpower, you can really do a lot. Yeah, and as you can see, it's right between the big streets. So on both sides you will have the BRT bus line coming through. But you can walk here from the Chong Nonsi BTS station. Again, another amazing construction park. You know, Bangkok keeps amazing me. I don't know how many times I said that already. It's crazy. So, and in case you're wondering, I did ask permission if it was allowed to film here. And oversight manager, he said he agreed, so very happy for that. Yeah, so I do think in 2 days it will be completely ready for the official opening. Yeah, this is just gonna make the city so much more beautiful, and it's very nice to you know, that they come up with the plan to use this kind of spaces to make it more green. I mean, you can do nothing else but applaud it. I'm happy it's come this way. So I will do another little update now. I am going to the Ong Ang, where there is some constructions going on as well, and I will incorporate that at the end of this video. So see you guys there. It's actually interesting to see how fast the water is flowing here. And here it looks like it's going on the ground, but basically it's just flowing, of course, on a normal level. But it just goes, it becomes a subterranean tunnel. So from here you have a bit of a view how the walking path is gonna connect with the train station. This is where the sky bridge connects with the BRT and the Chong Nonsi bridge. And here there is some nice Christmas decoration, so of course I have to share that with you. So I hope you enjoyed this update regarding the Chong Nonsi Canal Park. It seems to be ready by Christmas. If you like this update, feel free to subscribe, drop me a line, and see you guys in my next video.